V, you first.
Can I carry your bags?
Yeah. Try to put the intonation in your sentence. Okay. Bảo.
Can I carry your bags?
It's a question, okay? Can I carry your bags?
Can I carry your bags?
Okay. You.
Can I carry your bags? Can I carry your bag?
Yes, okay. Let's try it one more time. B.
Can I carry your bags?
Yeah, it's better. Bảo.
Can I carry your bag?
So why do you smile? It's just a question. You.
Can I carry your bag?
You don't have any intonation in your sentence. You are very weak at intonation. But you first.
Give me a big kiss. Give me a big kiss.
Yeah. Okay, Bảo.
Give me a big kiss.
Big kiss. Bảo again. Can you say it again?
Give me a big kiss.
Big.
Give me a big kiss.
Okay. So why you smile, everyone? So what does this mean? Give me a big kiss. What does this sentence mean? Kiss. Okay, now let's say it again. One more time. V.
Give me a big kiss.
Yeah. Okay, Bảo.
Give me a big kiss.
Yes, it's better. You.
Give me a big kiss.
Yes, it's better. Okay. Number 4. You can say it's kind of statement. Các bạn có
A gray cat with green eyes walked into the garden.
walked. Yeah. So ed here we say right. Bảo.
A gray cat with green eyes walked into the garden.
Okay. You.
A gray cat with green eyes walked into the garden.
Okay. So this exercise you can practice at home. Okay. Now let's move to exercise 5. Listen and circle the words you hear.